Hey guys, Richard here. So one question I'm asked all the time is where can I find good products to promote online? If I'm in the make money online niche, especially, you tend to be stuck with some of the kind of bigger sites like Warrior Plus, JVZoo and Clickbank. And once you've been through them, then you want to know where else you can actually find products. So I'm actually going to show you in this video three very, very good places that I go all the time to research and really look at what other people are actually promoting and get a little bit more variety in the types of products that I can offer my own customers. So guys, if you're interested in this, especially if you're a beginner, stick around. I'm going to show you exactly how you can find some great products to promote online. So guys, just before we start, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you're interested in these types of videos and you don't want to miss more content, hit that subscribe and notification bell. And guys, if you really want to learn how to build a business online with affiliate marketing, go ahead and hit the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads and we'll get you started straight away. So guys, let's come away from the usual type of networks like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Clickbank, and let's jump into some different places that you can use to find some really good products online. So the first one is my favorite. It's YouTube. So the first thing you need to do, guys, is actually search for videos that are in your own niche. Now my niche is affiliate marketing, so what I want to do is look at videos that are in the how to make money with affiliate marketing niche, and I'm going to look at the top creators in this niche and really find out what they're promoting, right? So I want to see what types of products that they're promoting and are they different from the usual stuff. So this Catherine Manning's nearly got 500,000 subscribers. Mike was still here again, this 500,000 subscribers, lots of views on their videos. So you can be guaranteed that whatever they're promoting is likely to be a lot of views and a lot of people searching for reviews and information on those products. So let's jump inside Catherine's first, and this is just one video of hers. I'm going to look in the description and I want to see everything really she's linking to, and I want to see if these are the types of things I could maybe look at as well to promote. So she's got lots and lots of different links down here. Let's go to this one first. It's Catherine Manning. Basically, this is a blueprint that she's got for $24 that could be a really good thing to review. Now, sometimes I'm going to tell you something now that you might not like. Sometimes it's worth actually reviewing products even if you haven't got affiliate links. Now, I know you're going to kind of question that and go, why would I bother? You would bother because you're bringing value to your audience and you're actually getting traffic over to your own channel and building up your own channel or your own blogs, whatever your traffic source is. And that's a really good way to actually get credibility. You don't always have to promote everything. So I could actually buy this for $24 and do a review on this, the blow it up blueprint, and actually get traffic over without actually making a penny off it. But I know in the long term my audience will get value from it. So this is just one unusual product, not on Clickbank, not any of those type of networks that you could go for. Next one is, let's have a look at Mike's video here. Again, you can dig deep into their channel and have a look at all different types of videos on here. So we can see all these different types of videos he has. So let's look at the latest one here, how to start affiliate marketing. Now you can jump into Mike's and actually figure out what he's actually promoting. So he's got this free workshop here. I can actually go in here and I could take the time to actually go through this workshop and then figure out if this is something that I want to promote as well. If I come back over to his blog here, there's bound to be a lot of information on this blog here about various things that he's promoting. He's got his book here. This could be something you have a look at, The Lazy Man's Guide to Living a Good Life. Maybe you can promote this on Amazon and just get some Amazon commissions for promoting this book. Again, you're looking around other people's content and you're trying to figure out what they're trying to promote. Now if I come to this one here, make money with Stacy, 127,000 subscribers. Let's take a look what she's actually promoting. Again, come down to the description, have a look around here. This is a 15-day challenge. There is a Builderall promotion here. What is Builderall all about? You can go and find that out. And again, you found another product there that potentially you might be able to offer to your particular audience. So this is a great example that I can use to move on to my second option for finding completely different products online. Now this is something called Trustpilot. Now you may have heard of this. This is where actually businesses will put their profiles and people give reviews for those businesses, but it can be used for a very interesting reason. Now I know Builderall is actually a page builder. Now I can search for Builderall in here and I can find Builderall reviews in here. Now this hasn't actually got many reviews, but one interesting thing is on the right hand side here, as you come down, it also shows you people are also looking at these particular products. So they're looking at products like ClickFunnels, System.io, GetResponse. All of these are page builders, and GetResponse has a page builder actually inside it. Now I could use this to also figure out other products on here that I could potentially go ahead and review or promote. So ClickFunnels is obviously a big one, really big. You can click on that. Lots of different reviews on ClickFunnels, really good reviews actually. And again, I can come down here and see if there's different options within these particular boxes. System.io may be worth reviewing because it's 699 reviews. And again, I can come down here and see if there's different options. Now you can do this with pretty much any kind of different company on here. If you've got an existing product that you are actually promoting, you can come in here and find that company and find alternatives within that particular niche. So for instance, if I wanted to find alternatives just to Clickbank to find different places to find products, I can come down here and look at this. Digistore 24, loads of different reviews on this. This is something I could go and have a look at. What type of products are in Digistore 24? CPA lead, and this Warrior Plus has only got 1 star. Let's click on to Digistore 24. Loads of different reviews on here. Really excellent place according to this to go and find various products. And you can go and start searching Digistore 24, and you can just come in here, click Digistore 24, and there you are. There's a whole host of other products that I can basically go ahead and promote on here. Very easy and Trustpilot to find out more information about various companies, various products that you find, and not only gives you an idea of how people are finding those products, it gives you the reviews here, but it also gives you various different options down here, which is really, really good. Now another option I use is something called DuckDuckGo. Now I use this in the same way as you would Google. So how to make money with affiliate marketing is my search term on here. And again, if you're in a different niche, just pick a different niche. You can actually use all of the different search options on here. So I just search for it again. And basically this is going to allow me to find different types of blogs where I could find potentially different products to promote. So if I look at how to make real money through affiliate marketing 2021, I can come through and have a look at this Wallet blog and look at the different types of products they're mentioned on here. So there's one here, Jeff Proctor and Ben Huber. Never heard of it. What is Dollar Sprout? I could click on Dollar Sprout, and then I've got all of this information on here that I could start looking at. Is there products on here for me to promote? Is this a membership scheme? Let's have a look at side hustles here. Lots of different side hustles, making money apps. I click into this, I've got all of these different types of apps I could be doing reviews on. So you can see there's lots of information just by doing very simple searches. And you need to start digging in and researching it. You can potentially start promoting these. Let's have a look at DoorDash. Go right down into this funnel of DoorDash. What is this product? They've done a review on DoorDash, so obviously it is something worth reviewing. And I can click on this and I'm at the DoorDash site, and next minute I'm actually going to go ahead and research DoorDash and see what it's all about. So you can see easy ways that you can look at different types of sites. Now I use DuckDuckGo because I find it curates slightly differently from Google. It gives me some more straightforward type results than Google. You could easily use Google instead of using DuckDuckGo. I just prefer this because I think that some of the results are slightly cleaner. All you need to do is find your particular niche, search for how-to type search terms, and then you start finding blogs with lots of different products on that you can go ahead and promote. So I hope that was useful to you guys. Just a bit of a different video about how to find different types of products online rather than the usual Warrior Plus, JVZoo or Clickbank type products. If you're into affiliate marketing, it is a great way for you to get a bit more of a wide variety of products that you can go ahead and promote to your audience. If you like these types of videos, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're serious and you really want to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process completely for free, step by step. Until next time, guys, take care.